Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Corset and I make lifestyle and fashion videos. And today I bring to you another Amazon video. That's right, I got sucked into the depths of Amazon again and I ordered a product that I've been seeing everywhere on TikTok. If you guys have been on TikTok, you've probably seen the famous Amazon corset. I think this got really popular because of Bridgerton. I have not finished Bridgerton yet, but I know the vibes. I know that they wore corsets and like those puffy dresses. I would normally never order a corset. I can't see myself usually wearing one, but I've been seeing them all over TikTok and I needed to know what all the hype was about. Since these corsets are so popular right now, so many of them are on back order. So I was able to find two colors that I'm gonna try on for you guys today, talk about the pros and cons, and let you know if it's worth it. So the first corset I got is this green one. First impressions, it looks so much nicer in person than it does online. You can even see the floral pattern is like a satin, like, you know, reflective print, I don't know. But I have to say, for however much this was, I think like $30, the material is so much better than I was expecting. As far as the details, it has this ribbon detail in the back, which is really nice and makes it really easy to tighten or, you know, loosen if you need to. And then it also has these two ribbons in the front, which again, I mean, I think like the frilly and stuff is kind of a lot, but if this is like the statement piece of the outfit, then there's no problem. I definitely thought the green was interesting, but it was one of the only ones in stock. And I thought like, hey, that might be cool. I'm also obsessed with Vampire Diaries and this just gave me Catherine vibes. There's also a piece of fabric in the back to cover the inside of, you know, where the ribbon goes. And overall, it's just really nice material. Here's the green one on. I think the color of this one is really pretty and I like the bow detail in the front. Once it's on, it's pretty comfortable. Obviously just a little bit difficult to breathe. The one thing I don't like is that, I don't know if you can tell, it kind of like keeps going straight through the jeans, so it makes an awkward little bump. Even though the green is a little bit more old-fashioned looking, I still think it's really cool with a pair of jeans and maybe a white bag. I don't know. I feel like I'd go out to brunch wearing this. The next corset I got was this white one. The white is definitely something that I would see myself wearing more often, and I actually styled it really nicely in my Amazon outfit video you can check out right here. I really like the modern look of like a corset with mom jeans. I just think, you know, it kind of provides a nice contrast. But again, as you can see, the floral detailing on this is really, really nice. The closures in the front are obviously a little bit obvious, but it doesn't bother me, you know, that's how you open and close it. Again, the ribbon detailing in the back is really nice and, you know, it gives you a lot of freedom on how much you want to expand it. Since corsets are meant to be worn tight, obviously it's a little bit difficult to, you know, hook on in the front when you're putting it on, but I would say once it's on, it's not going anywhere. One thing about these corsets, which is kind of a con for me, is the fact that, especially if you're wearing it with something high-waisted, the bottom kind of sticks out and gives you like a weird bump in your jeans, and I'll show you that when I try it on. The structure on these corsets though is really, really nice and very sturdy. I'm also gonna put the link in for these specific corsets in the description below. This is the white one. The white one is definitely so much easier to style, but of course, again, it's still a statement piece. With the white one, you can see I think it actually bulks out even more, which is obviously not flattering, but I guess it just depends on what type of pants you're wearing with it. The floral detail is so cool on this corset. This one I could see myself wearing a lot more, just, you know, it's easier to match with things. That is my review of the famous Amazon corsets. I definitely think that they are worth the price, even if you don't wear them a lot of the time, just to make you feel like a princess. They're great for going out, Halloween costumes, or just like, you know, styling them however you want. I definitely understand why these have the hype. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe. Check out my Amazon storefront in the description for all my favorite Amazon products, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!